today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this easy everyday makeup look that's perfect to wear with a red lipstick. If you love wearing red lipstick every day, this tutorial is perfect for you. This look is very easy to do and I'm sure you can do this as well. So yeah guys, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first, make sure that your face is prepped, it's moisturized, and it's not dry. So I already prepped my skin and I already applied moisturizer. Now, I will apply primer first. And the primer that I will be using is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Hydrating Primer. Next, I will apply foundation and I will be using the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Radiant Sheer Foundation. I will just gonna apply it directly on my face. Then I will blend it using a sponge. Moving on, I will apply concealer and I will use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I will let my concealer set for a bit, but meanwhile, I will do my brows first. And for my brows, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Then I will apply brow mascara and I'll be using this Merit Beauty Brow Mascara. Okay, I'm done with my brows. Now I will set my face and I will use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Then now I will bronze my face and I'll be using the NARS Powder Bronzer in the shade Laguna. Now for my eyes, I will just do a simple eye look because we will gonna have a red lipstick and you want to make sure that your look is balanced. Since you have a strong lips, you have to make sure that the eyeshadow that you will gonna create is just subtle and not too strong. So using this Empowered eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty, I'll be taking this shade and then I will just apply it on my entire eyelid. I will also apply it on my lower lash line. Then now, I will take this shade and use that as my eyeliner. Then now, I will take an eyeliner pencil and I will put that on top. To finish up my eyes, I'll be curling my lashes, and for my mascara, I'll be using the Neutrogena Healthy Length Mascara. Now, I will apply blush and I'll be using the NARS blush and this is in the shade Orgasm X. Then I will apply highlighter and I'll be using the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in the shade Golden. Now, for my lips, I will apply lip liner first and I'll be using the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Candy K. And then for my lips, I'll be using this Rare Beauty Matte Lip Cream in the shade Inspire. Now, to finish our makeup and to set my face, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.